Hey friends! Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is Fridge Restock plus Pantry Organization. I'm going to be putting away our grocery haul. I hope you enjoyed this video and clean and organize with me. Or if you're trying to get some cleaning motivation going, I hope that this video helps you to get up and tackle your own to-do list of mess in your own home, whether it's fridge organization, kitchen organization, or your regular cleaning chore. Let's do this! As you see at the beginning, we just did our grocery haul and I recently just uploaded a video for that. So if you want to see every single thing that we got with prices, I will link that video in the description box below so you can check it out after this one. We don't buy the same amount of food every single month. Sometimes we do cut back if we still have a lot left, but we always want to make sure that we have all of the meat in stock. So if we're out of like chicken and beef for the next month, then we pick up those for that grocery haul. So we want to make sure we have all of the meats in stock, like the raw meats, beef, chicken, pork, and also some seafoods. We want to make sure we have those all the time. And for those easily perishable items like fresh vegetables and fruits, I do go to Smith's every single week to pick up what we need and also like whatever ingredients we need that we don't have on hand. I usually spend about $10 to $20 every week for all of the fresh items. So there's that. And then we also have a lot of snacks at home. We don't eat out, guys. I do get a lot of comments that this is a lot of food for our family. Yes, it might be. Everyone have their own opinion of how much is a lot. And I'm not gonna say it's little. It is a lot. But then again, we don't eat out, guys. Maybe once or like twice a week. That's the only time we eat out because eating out is very expensive. And we have everything that we need at home. So like this right here, if we want pizza, we have pizza at home. If we want chicken and fries, we have that at home. We have burger, we have hot dog, we have our own beverage at home. My husband and I, we both work full-time job and we do take food at work as well and some snacks, and we don't have a reason to go out and buy food because like I said, we have everything that we need at home. So yes, if you're gonna say this is a lot of food for your family, maybe it is, but we also save money this way. Having a lot of food at home keeps us from buying or eating out, and that's our way of saving money. And everyone is different, everyone have their own opinion, and this is ours. So we do what works for our family. Of course, every family is different, so you just do what works for you and your family, of course. When I'm putting away all of our groceries and organizing them, I usually like to start putting away all of the frozen items first, and then the fridge items, and the last thing I tackle is the pantry, since the food or any whatever goes in there is usually not temperature sensitive, so that's okay if that's the last thing I do. Moving on to our outside fridge, we actually have this in the backyard and we have patio covered in our backyard, so this doesn't get rained on because I do get that comment from time to time. This fridge is safe, it doesn't get rained on, and the temperature is holding just fine. We usually only have like the grill items here like hot dogs and burgers, and also some of the TV dinners that I don't like to put in the chest freezer because they are bulky, so we have them in here and it works fine because like I said, there's really not much in here. And then on the bottom side, we only have all of the beverage down there, and that's really convenient for us when we have people come over because we usually hang out in the backyard because we do have a pool, so they like to like swim, and having the beverage here is just, like I said, very convenient for us. If this is your first time here, I just want to say hello and welcome. I am so happy you're here. My name is Selle. I am a wife and full-time working mommy of one. If you enjoy organization videos like this, as well as home cleaning motivation and grocery hauls, and also some decorating from time to time, I upload this kind of contents every Friday, so be sure to subscribe and don't forget to turn your notification bell on so you won't miss any of my future uploads. And if you are new here, don't forget to comment down below and introduce yourself. If you are my returning friends and subscribers, thank you so much for coming back and watching. You guys are amazing. For this ribeye steak, my husband don't eat ribeye steak at all. He doesn't like that. It has a lot of extra fat. So it's just me and my son that eats ribeye steak. So I do like to separate this before I freeze them. And I usually do like put 2 in each Ziploc bag and keep it in the freezer. In this freezer, we have all of our ice cream and a lot of our breakfast items like bacon, sausage, breakfast sandwiches, and like frozen cooked sausage, and a few of the frozen meals and some frozen fruits. We have all of those items in this fridge. And then on top of the fridge, of course, are the normal item that we use daily. I just want to let everybody know that I don't make this video to brag in any way. My intention in making grocery hauls and also putting away grocery hauls is to like give you guys motivation to organize your own home, or even any like regular cleaning motivation. I know that can be dreading sometimes, like putting all of this grocery away. That takes me hours, and sometimes I don't want to do it, but I have to. I am that person that doesn't have all of our everything in our home organized, but the kitchen, I stay on top of that. It's the thing that we use every single day, so I try to stay on top of that. And like I said, the reason by making this video is to give you guys motivation to do that, and also show my way. I know it's not perfect in any way, but this is our way, and we see everything that we have. We try hard not to waste money, because my husband and I, like I told you guys earlier, we both work full-time job. Actually, my husband worked 2 jobs, so everything that we buy, we don't buy them for the video whatsoever. We eat everything that we have here, and we try so hard not to waste any food, because it is our hard-earned money. So just putting that out there. My husband is a cracker and cheese junkie, so he loves cheese. We have like string cheese here and cheddar cheese. It's usually him and my son that eats most of this cheese. I don't even eat like these cheese strings. I don't know, I don't like them. I eat the Baby Bell and then the Laughing Cow's cheese. I put that on my toast. This amount of cheese usually lasts us for about a month and a half up to 2 months. The cheddar sometimes usually goes out first because my husband likes the cheddar, so he eats like most of those more than the cheese strings. But yeah, he loves cheese and crackers, and I'm usually more of like chips person, and also I like fresh fruits.
To settle down, day nights and late nights don't kid around. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah.
Since we bought new strawberries from Sam's Club, I have this leftover and they are still good. So I'm just going to pack this in these Lunchables because my son likes to take them at school. And here I'm just showing you a little bit how I pack my son's lunch. It's not all of this. Usually he would take like one of these, either the pepperoni in the strawberry or the ham in the strawberry, and then I would give him something else like a granola bar on the side, or like a bread with butter. My son is weird. He likes bread and butter, like the Hawaiian bread with just butter. He'll have this and then that, and then maybe like some cookies on the side as well. I've been meaning to get a new bento box where I can put more stuff in it because I haven't found the one that I like. I picked up a few bento box before, but they were way too big for my son's lunch box. So I'm still on the hunt for new one where I can put a lot more stuff in my son's lunch box.
I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Even when my teardrops start to dry, even when the sun begins to shine again, taking all the advice there is and none of it has helped.
Our fridge setup consistently change. It's like a Tetris in here. I just put things wherever they fit. So these usually change every single week, and it doesn't always look clean and organized like this, but I cherish those moments that it looks clean and organized like this because it's just very satisfying to me. I'm always, of course, very thankful and grateful that we are able to afford food like this, because I did told you guys in my past video that I grew up poor. So when I was young, there are times that we wouldn't be able to eat for like a day because we don't have money to be able to buy food, like even like just rice. We don't have money to buy food. So there would be like a day that we wouldn't eat, me and my siblings. So every time I would see our fridge full like this, I just feel so thankful and grateful that my husband and we are able to provide for our family, and that just fills up my heart, and I don't ever want to take that for granted.
Experience has made me realize that I won't build my life on empty words. Being so damn naive, it only hurts. I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to.
Moving on in our pantry, it's not too bad in here. I just need to refill and condense some of the containers here, and also put away the new things that we got for this month.
Every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs. I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Looking back on how I used to be, I always thought that love was made for me. Oh well, I was just as blue-eyed as the sky could ever be. Loving you has made me realize I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs. I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of love songs. Sick and tired of love songs. Even when my teardrops start to dry, and even when the sun begins to shine again, I've taken all the advice there is, and none of it has helped. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Ooh, sick and tired of you. I'm so tired of love songs that never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone to help me through. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense.
This is pretty much it for this video, my friends. As always, I hope you find this motivating and helpful. I hope I inspire you to get up and tackle your own mess at home or your to-do list of house chore, and that you get some ideas on how to organize and put away your own grocery haul for your pantry and fridge and kitchen. And if I did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, as it does help support my channel and lets me know you want more videos like this. Comment down below and share this to a friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe and turn your notification bell on so you wouldn't miss any of my future uploads. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I will talk to you all again on my next video. Bye, friends!